Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add the GeoFace to a 3D character. To start, open the asset browser. Choose the corresponding face type, male or female. And you can send the kit to the 3D cursor. Make sure to scale it to the right size. If you want to snap the kit onto the character's face, you can enable this option and also face and align surface. And there you have it. Now all you have to do is parent the kit to the character's head object. In a future video, I'll show you how to use an audio track to make the character's mouth move. Thank you for watching this tutorial video.